It's early Saturday morning and we are getting ready to go do a photo shoot for one of our upcoming gigs. It's one that we did last year called Gin and Jazz Festival. It's at Heritage Square in downtown Phoenix. Really cool place, and so yeah, we gotta get ready. It's time to go. So at Heritage Square, they're having the Motoring Thru Time event right now, and you'll get to see some amazing cars. Did we say they're amazing?
They're amazing, amazing cars.
We're at Heritage Square.
This way a little bit more.
So the band has been playing for about 2 hours now, and they've gone through 2 sets. The first set was like music from the 1880s to 1890s. This last set was like from the 1890s to the 1910s, then a little bit into the 20s, and now they're moving into the 30s and 40s. So they're gonna play a World War II set list. We're probably gonna get up and dance. We just talked to the band leader, super nice gentleman. They do a lot of amazing history-based shows, and so he's just wonderful. So we're gonna get up and dance with them in this little set here.
No one ever looks so nice and neat. No one could be just as cute and sweet. That's what Jimmy thought when the wedding ring he bought. Now he's off to France, the foe to me. Katie, beautiful Katie, you're the young girl that I adore. When the moon shines over the cowshed, I'll be waiting at the kitchen door.
Audience, we have a special little gift. It's Tomater! And that one. The Italian one, I think.
Alright, so this is Heather Roberts, and she works here at Heritage Square, and she's the Director of Development and Marketing.
And we are getting geared up for our next big event, which is our Gin and Jazz Preservation Party, which is April 22nd here under the beautiful pavilion area of Heritage Square in this very unique place in downtown Phoenix.
So we're inside the office of Heather, and we found her poster over here. She's on the phone. That's us. That's our poster from Gin and Jazz. So cool. So reflecting on what happened today, they made a lot of new friends, made a lot of connections, and we actually heard a lot of stories. It was neat to go from car to car, and there were a couple other like gramophones, they had crafts, they had like horseshoe making, they had all these different things going on. It was really neat to go up to them and talk to them, and everyone had a story. And the takeaway, I guess, the takeaway that I am taking away from this experience today is that there are a lot of people who care about our history, who care about preserving the past. And I think that's so neat. And it was really cool because we spent so much time talking to them, and you know, they were like telling us why they preserve the past, and they were talking about how, you know, the youth don't appreciate, they don't want to keep history. And then they saw us dancing, and we you know, we weren't like contracted to dance, we just got up and danced because we wanted to. And afterwards, a lot of them came up to us and they were just really excited, and it felt really neat because we were able to connect with them on a level of, you know, through our dancing we are preserving the past as well. This was an amazing experience. Definitely can't wait till next year, and really looking forward to Gin and Jazz. So that's coming up in April. I hope that this little video can kind of help bring more people out to that. It's a really great event, and it supports an amazing foundation that's preserving our history in Phoenix and in Arizona. So that being said, hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you have any comments or if you want information about Gin and Jazz Festival, you can message us or leave a comment below. But yeah, you guys are great, and we hope you're enjoying our little adventures that we're having. We hope to have a lot more soon.